24,000 miles. It's definitely sold. Would you sell it?
Hell no.
$100,000 right now. You wouldn't sell it?
Yeah, you can buy that motherfucker.
Lady sharks in the driveway, keys in her hand. Old school sitting low, watch her take a man. She rolls up in a cutlass, candy on the door. Big rims catch the sun when she pulls up to the store. Wet paint dripping clean, every panel hand signed. He was talking about his bill, she just left his car behind. White wall memories with a brand new gleam. Ghost spokes turning slow like a championship ring. No need for a crew telling her what to choose. She built it from the frame, now she's making headlines news. She knows every bowl, every curve, every sound. When the hood comes up, all respect comes around. Lady sharks, swimming through the show. Big rims, wet paint, making everybody know. Lady sharks, better than the guys. She don't need permission. Watch the whole block ride. She got a Monte Carlo with the seat stitched tight. Pearl over burgundy, looking rich in the light. Trunk full of trophies, still she keeps it humble. One tap on the gas and hear the whole ground rumble. He brought a lot of opinion in a half-done ride. She brought receipts, patience, and a vision inside. Why they...
Back with another. Who we got here?
You got Bag Lady with the 1980 Chevy Monte Carlo.
Hey, how long you had it?
I had it 20 years.
20 years?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a lucky number around here. I hear.
Oh, yeah.
Working on it the whole 20?
No, this is my third time redoing it.
Okay.
So basically, yeah, been working on it, if you want to say that.
Hey, I see you riding it on the highway and everything.
Oh, yeah.
It's original motor, or you got a new motor in it?
It's a 350 in there, souped up. Yeah.
Souped up.
Yeah.
Cheery, I see.
Yeah.
Billet?
Yep.
What size
24.
24?
24-inch billet.
Okay.
My first car was my very first car when I was a shorty.
Yep.
It was a Ford EXP.
EXP.
A two-door.
Two-door.
Yep.
I had to look that up.
Yep.
Okay. Take $100K cash, or would you rather put $100K in your car? Somebody gave you the opportunity today.
I'll put it in my car.
You put it in your car?
Yep.
Welcome back to the Trav Foster Show. Who we got here?
Ebony.
How you doing, Ebony?
I'm okay. How you doing?
See, I can't help but notice you got a beautiful car. What year is it?
Thank you. 1986 colorless Oldsmobile.
1986. How long you had it?
20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
Put a lot of money in it?
Yeah.
Would you sell it?
Hell no.
$100,000 right now. You wouldn't sell it?
Yeah, you can buy that motherfucker.
Money talk. Okay. What all you got done to it?
I done got the motor done, paint job, interior, pretty much everything. Everything. When I bought this car didn't have nothing but a frame.
Definitely nice, I can tell. Put together. Say 20 years. How long? It took you the whole 20 or you had it?
Nah, I started working on this car like 5 years ago.
5 years, okay.
Yeah.
Lady sharks in the driveway, keys in her hand. Old school sitting low, watch her take a man. She rolls up in a cut.
Car show season now. Car show season now. AC. Car show season now. I'm outside with the shine. Paint wet like syrup. Candy on the spine. Doors up like wings. Chrome talk back loud. Fresh on the lot. Got a crowd in the crowd. You see me pull up slow. I got on the lane. Every head turn quick. Every friend got flame. No sleep all week. We been chasing that scene. New rap, new whip. Look like a moving dream. And the phones come out when the bass get low. Everybody crowd up, let the whole thing go. The night feel rich when the tires roll. Say it one time, then I let it go. Car show season now. Car show season now. Look at them stare, look at them stare. Car show season now. Car show season now. The Trap Foster Show, getting all the footage there. Car show season now. Trap Foster Show. The Trap Foster Show. On the road tonight. From town to town, with the lens too bright. Catch that wide body, catch that paint drip, catch that sunrise on a fresh lip kit. Crew in the cut and the cameras rolling. Every style we hit, got the whole spot going from the me to the crew, from the lot to the lane. If it's built like that, we gon' stamp that name. And the phones come out when the bass get low. Everybody crowd up, let the whole thing go. The night feel rich when the tide is roll. Say it one time, then I let it go. Car show season now. Car show season now. Look at them stare, look at them stare. Car show season now. Car show season now. The Trap Foster Show, getting all the footage there. Car show season now. From the east to the west, we don't miss one stop. Every bill got a story. Every engine high. When the cameras flash and the crowd gets close, you can feel that moment. That's the one we car show season now. Car show season now. Look at them stare, look at them stare. Car show season now. Car show season now. The Trap Foster Show, getting all the footage there. Car show season now. The Trap Foster. The Trap Foster Show.
Ooh. G got him a clean Landau. Bang, man. White Bulls, man. Look at that motherfucker, man. That's quiet. HID headlights, man. This motherfucker clean. Woo. That's how they used to ride them, y'all. You know what I'm saying? One on the inside, yup. Immaculate.
Yeah. We outside. Yeah. I came in quiet, not a blood on my face. Pocket got heavy, still I move with grace. Ride too clean when we slide to the space. Whole team out, every section got a place. City lights, fast pace. Back street nights, got that late night taste. Hands in the air when we pull up bass. Every step live, you can feel it in the place. Count it up slow, then we switch lanes. Same hard work, now the whole scene changed. Street lights glow, yeah we outside. Say my name once and the team gon' slide. We outside, yeah you know we outside. New money, got the whole spot gleaming now. We outside, every night we outside. Win with the team, that's how we do it now. Big step French press when we hit the place. Old talk forward when the new waves race. Speakers in the trunk, city in the frame. Saying young king, just allow the name. Cup full slow, but the focus stay sharp. Move like a boss when we slide through the dark. Family first, keep the love in the heart. Everybody out, we just play our part. Count it up slow, then we switch lanes. Same hard work, now the whole scene changed. Street lights glow, yeah we outside. Say my name once and the team gon' slide. We outside, yeah you know we outside. New money, got the whole spot gleaming now. We outside, every night we are outside. Win with the team, that's how we do it now. That's how we do it now. I remember when the pocket was thin. Now we hit the door and they let us all in. Real day ones, only fam, no trend. We don't talk too much, we just big time grin. We outside, yeah you know we outside. New money, got the whole spot gleaming now. We outside, every night we lay outside. Win with the team, that's how we do it now. That's how we do it now. I came in quiet, not a room on my face. Pocket got heavy, but I move with grace. Ride too clean, no dust on the lace. Whole team eat, we don't miss on the plate. Land a drip, Memphis pace. Backseat leg, got that new money taste. Hands on the wheel, I don't need no chase. Every step paid, we don't need no trace. Count it up slow, then we switch lanes. Same hard work, now the whole game changed. New money glow, on a clean route. Say my name once, then the team comes through. Clean route, we be on that clean route. New money, got the whole thing gleaming now. Clean route, yeah we on that clean route. Win with the team, that's how we do it now. Big step, fresh press, never out of place. Old talk forward when the new checks raise. Memphis in the base, Atlanta in the frame. Same young king, just a bigger stage. Cup full slow, but the focus stay sharp. Move like a boss, not a shot in the dark. Family first, that's the root, that's the start. Everybody win when we play this part. Count it up slow, then we switch lanes. Same hard work, now the whole game changed. New money glow, on a clean route. Say my name once and the team comes through. Clean route, we be on that clean route. New money, got the whole thing gleaming now. Clean route, yeah we on that clean route. Win with the team, that's how we do it now. That's how we do it now. I remember when the pocket was thin. Now it's first class, where the day begin. No fake love, let the real ones in. We don't brag too much, we just cash out green. Clean route, we be on that clean route. New money, got the whole thing gleaming now. Clean route, yeah, we on that clean route. Win with the clean, that's how we do it now. That's how we do it now.
Golly.
How you doing today? What we got here?
81 Caprice.
81 Caprice. What size of wheels you running?
26.
26? I see you got a big lip going on.
Yes.
Yeah, how long you had it?
A year.
Repaint or has it been painted?
Yeah, all original paint and interior.
All original. Paint.
We're only 24,000.
24,000 miles. It definitely shows. I see you got the matching luggage. Did it come with it or that's something you had? Found it. Okay. Anything else to it or?
Motor and music.
Motor and music.
Yeah.
Definitely a beautiful car, man. I appreciate you.
Pulled up slow in the box, Chevy paint breathe. Old school gleam, Gold Coast when the bass beat. Past the park, seen the homies by the swings. Back seat full of dreams, front seat full of things. I was young and alone. Pulled up slow in the box, Chevy paint breathe. Old school gleam, Gold Coast when the bass beat. Past the park, seen the homies by the swings. Back seat full of dreams, front seat full of things. I was young in the lane, now the lane got a name. Capital on my mind, had to earn my place. Window down, let the night hit my face. Same ones with me now, we still move with grace. Late cash, hard tennis, I remember that. Now I stack, then I double that. We don't talk too much, let the hustle chat. If it's mine, I'ma take it, ain't no running back. Outside with a cold air bite. Park lights and a whole squad right. I've been alone, but I'm high on sight. One move and we all gon' rise. Box Chevy, cop it up. Cruising on the avenue. Old school dreams in the parking lot. We gon' level up. What else we got? Box Chevy, cop it up. Same hood, but a better view. Out here with my brothers, we don't quit. We was built for this, we don't miss. Counting up in the dark, let the silence work. Every loss turned to scar, now the title hurt. But I kept my word, kept my plate clean. Now the phone won't stop and the days lean. We at the park, just laughing through the pressure. Share fries, same vibe, made the whole thing better. Talk big plans, no cap, no pretender. From the benches to the bands, yeah, we on that level. Old school, roll by, heads turn fast. Chrome on the side, but the future in the dash. If they ask how we made it, tell them we were last. Now we first in the running, we built it to last. Outside with a cold air bite. Park lights and the whole squad right. I've been low, but I'm high on sight. One move and we all gon' rise. Box Chevy, cop it up.
Ooh, it is. We at the car show, Dolton, Illinois. It look good. I ain't get my dresser though, and I don't feel like going back. 6.
It's like a 5 or a 6.
Food was like a buffet style, so it's probably been sitting out
The macaroni. Macaroni is good.
Mother's chicken, dressing, mac and cheese. I got hot roast, green beans, and mac. It good though. Let me taste these sides. You can get a piece of that roast. It's supposed to be some meat in here, man. The mac a hit.
My chicken would definitely be dry if I had gravy on it.
Chicken dry.
The roast is good. The macaroni good. The cornbread good. The dressing is not there. It's not bad, but I would eat there again.